Yeah, the king of RAP and Baby T. Yeah, Orlando, Chi-Town, Collabo. You know what I'm talking about? Now on this song right here, man, we gon' go real deep.
The king of rap.com.
Yeah, crown me. The king is here, coming soon. But right now, finna get in this real quick, you know what I'm saying? So Sick remix potency. Neo, N-O, M-A-D-S. You know, I'm getting scarred as I ride through the go. Heartbroke, bending through the city without nowhere to go. I'm thinking deep cause I'm choking the bow. I messed up for the last time, she couldn't take it no more. She gave me chance after chance when I did it before. Should've been at home with her, but I was chillin' with home. Goofy, groupie, they was feeling my flow. Now I'm fucked up, wishing I could hit it some more. I'm so lonely, I'm catching flashbacks. Thinking about the way a nigga used to smash that. Riding dirty in the whip, she used to stash that. And if it came down to it, she would blast that. And she would give a nigga cheese in a heartbeat, telling me that I'm the reason her heartbeat. I turn the volume in the whip and hit the baby throat, and then I hear her favorite song on the radio. Damn,
and I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears,
so tired,
so done with wishing you were still here.
Shit, I'm done with it.
I'm so sick of love songs,
N-O, M-A-D-S, you know, yeah.
So why can't I turn off the radio?
Listen, 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 listen. This was a song that we used to play and crush on. Bought tears to a nigga, this was her song. So I flipped the station and hear a Thug song, and every channel had me tweaking, playing love songs. I said skip it, popped in a CD, turned out to be a homemade DVD. Our past life popped up on the TV. I pushed eject on that bitch off GP. Now I'm screwed up.